Man, and another one, man. I must say, another one of our clients came up with another piece of art that we were able to create for them. This is a beautiful piece, man. You got the Ankh on the right fang, only. Diamonds across the tips of the front four, only. Polished on the left fang and on the bottom of the front four, only. This is a masterpiece. Something like this, you're looking at probably about $1,100 using some nice quality stones like we did on this one. You see even the engraving in between each one of those diamonds is done right. Perfect straight lines. Looking great. You don't see any over scratches, just like polished. Great work, y'all. This is artwork done by master jewelers. Thank you everybody for tapping in. These gloves getting all over my piece, but thank you guys for tapping into my channels, man. YouTube is going up. Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, email, all that good stuff, man. It's going crazy. Still getting an overwhelming amount of people trying to get me to do all of the work for my company, guys. It's a little annoying, but it's all good. People literally somehow think that I am the only single person company on the entire planet. Did my mold kits arrive? Did my order arrive? What this, what that, this, you know, many questions they can get to me, man. But appreciate everybody out there for just supporting, man. All the people out there for following protocol, calling my business line, showing us some respect as a business, man. This is a great piece though, man. High polished. It's got the 6 teeth. All of our teeth are coming in like this now, guys. Tight as heck. People be coming and putting these things on and wondering, are they supposed to be that tight? Absolutely. You want these things fitting like a retainer. Off. You feel what I'm saying? So this is him. As my boy used to say, used to like to say, that's him. Drop a comment, drop an emoji in the comments if you're rocking with this, you think this is something really fresh. Please share our channel, YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram with your friends, man. It really helps us out. We look forward to meeting all you guys out there and working with you if we haven't already. If we have, it's going to be a joy to work with you again. You guys stay positive, stay blessed. SeattleGoGrills.com is the website. 206-250-0833 is the business line. Y'all have a blessed week, guys. Holler at your boy if you need on. All right now, peace.